Hello friends, today we will discuss major global military exercises India, USA, Russia in 2025. In, in this analysis, we will break down major 2025 joint and bilateral military exercises involving India, United States and Russia, and all MCQs are based upon that. We will explore naval drills, air force maneuvers, ground force interoperability and strategic context shaping Indo-Pacific and Eurasian security. So this video covers exercise objectives. Participating platforms are aircraft carriers, submarine, fighter jets, ground brigades, command structures, and all for geopolitical impacts on regional stability. So what we learned from this video, why India expands maritime partnership in 2025 and the scope of trilateral Quad cooperation, how US global force posture and NATO adjacent exercises influence Indo-Pacific deterrence. Russia's 2025 force projection, Arctic exercises, and strategic messaging. So all we learned. So it is important from examination point of view. So we will learn the military exercises of 2025. Our MCQs will answer on those questions. Which of the following countries participate in the military exercise Malabar? Options: India, USA, Japan, Australia. B, India, USA, Russia, Japan. C, India, USA, UK, France. D, India, Japan, South Korea, USA. Answer is A, India, USA, Japan, and Australia. Malabar is a naval exercise initially started as a bilateral exercise between India and the USA in 1992. Japan became a permanent member in 2015 and Australia joined in 2020, making it a quadrilateral exercise. Okay, so it is known as Quad, QUAD. Second question is, military exercise Yuddha Abhyas is conducted between which two countries? A, India and Russia, B, India and USA, C, India and UK, and D, India and Japan. Answer is B, India and USA. So you are getting the answers. If you are aware, then write down yourself. And if you don't know, then learn now. It will be useful. So Yuddha Abhyas is an annual bilateral military exercise between the armies of India and the United States focusing on counter-insurgency and counter-terrorism operations in a combined environment. Question number 3. Which of the following is a joint military exercise between India and Russia? Very important for BPSC exam. A, Indra, B, Garuda, C, Shakti, D, Varuna. Answer is A, Indra. Indra is a bilateral exercise between India and Russia involving all three forces, Army, Navy, and Air Force. It aims to strengthen military cooperation between the two nations. Next question. Question number 4. Garuda is a bilateral Air Force exercise between India and which country? Answer is option is A, France, B, Israel, C, Japan, D, UK. Answer is A, France. Garuda is the Indo-French Air Force exercise held to enhance interoperability and exchange operational experience between the two air forces. So it is Air Force exercise between India and France. Question number 5. Which military exercise focuses on maritime security cooperation among Indian Ocean Rim countries? A, Varuna, B, Milan, C, Malabar, D, RIMPAC, RIMPAC. Answer is B, Milan. Milan is a multilateral naval exercise hosted by the Indian Navy and in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands to promote cooperation among navies of the Indian Ocean region. Next question, number 6. Sampriti is a military exercise between India and which neighboring country? Sorry. Options: A. Nepal, B. Bhutan, C. Bangladesh, D. Myanmar. Answer is C. Bangladesh. Sampriti is an annual joint military exercise between the armies of India and Bangladesh focusing on counter-terrorism and disaster relief operations. Question number 7. Which of the following is the world's largest international maritime exercise? A. Malabar, B. RIMPAC RIMPAC, C. Komodo, D. Cobra Gold. Answer is B. RIMPAC RIMPAC. RIMPAC full form is Rim of the Pacific exercise, is the world's largest international maritime warfare exercise held biennially in Hawaii, organized by the United States Navy. So it held twice in a year. Question number 8. Shakti is the joint military exercise between India and which country? A. Germany, B. UK, C. France, D. Italy. Answer is C. France. Shakti is a bilateral army exercise between India and France focusing on counter-terrorism operations and improving interoperability. Question number 9. The exercise which black is associated with which branch of the armed forces? A. Army, B. Navy, C. Air Force, D. Coast Guard. Answer is C. Air Force. Which black is a multinational Air Force exercise hosted by the Royal Australian Air Force. India has participated in it to enhance aerial combat interoperability. Which exercise involves the tri-services of India, Army, Navy, and Air Force on a large scale? A. Yuddha Abhyas, B. Indra, C. Vayu Shakti, D. Exercise Kavach. Answer is D. Exercise Kavach. The Kavach is the name given to the exercise which involves all the three services of Indian force. If you like, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.